Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System and Update. Select Reset and choose Reset Phone. Now this will give you a list of things that will be removed. So we have things like accounts, app data, music, photos, files, and so on. So if you have on your phone anything that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise this data will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Reset Phone. We do have a backup option right here actually, so you can utilize it straight away from here. But like I said, I'm just going to progress without backing up anything. So again, select Reset Phone, and this will begin the process, which probably will take about like 2 minutes to finish up. And once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.